This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I'll show how you can record the screen on this device. So, by default, you will always find the screen recorder tile or shortcut at your control panel, so let's unfold it. Here is the shortcut, so you can tap on it. This interface or this screen recording tool will appear. So you can use it now. You can, start recording this way. You can stop it that way. You can access the folder that all your screen recordings are being saved to. You can also open the screen recorder settings here. In the screen recorder settings and preferences, you can select the preferred resolution, video quality, orientation of your videos, sound source, which sound will be recorded and which sound will not. So here you can switch between microphone, system, both or none. You can set the preferred frame rate for your screen recordings to have. You can also manage those options here. And I guess that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.